Hello everyone, we are going to solve another problem on CodeChef, chef and donation. By reading this problem, we can conclude that there are two persons, chef and chefina. Chef income is X rupees and chefina income is Y rupees. We have to find the difference between them and we have to submit the amount that difference comes for a charity for as a donation. Let us find out the solution. X and Y are the income of the chefina and chef. We have to store this in one variable and we have to find difference between y minus x because of this condition here y is greater than x. Let us run this. Sample input and output are matching. We will submit it for further confirmation. Yes, it is right. Thank you for watching this video.